Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we explore classic cars, rare vans, and automotive legends that helped shape the American road. If you love vintage vehicles and forgotten classics, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1985 Chevrolet Beauville van, a full-size American van that perfectly represents the practical yet stylish vehicle culture of the 1980s. While sports cars often grabbed the spotlight during that era, vans like the Chevrolet Beauville quietly became an important part of everyday life in the United States. They served families, travelers, small businesses, and even custom van enthusiasts who wanted something unique on the road. The 1985 Chevrolet Beauville was part of Chevrolet's popular G-Series van lineup, which had already built a strong reputation for durability and versatility. Chevrolet introduced the Beauville trim as a more family-friendly and passenger-focused version of its standard vans. Unlike cargo-focused models, the Beauville was designed to carry people comfortably, making it an excellent choice for large families and businesses that needed passenger transportation. From the outside, the 1985 Beauville had a classic boxy design that defined American vans of that era. It featured a large front grille with Chevrolet badging, rectangular headlights, and a simple but strong-looking body structure. The long wheelbase gave it a commanding road presence, while large side windows made the van look more welcoming and practical for passengers. Many Beauville vans came with two-tone paint schemes, chrome bumpers, and optional decorative stripes that added extra personality. During the 1980s, customized vans were extremely popular in America, and many owners modified their Beauville vans with custom wheels, murals, upgraded interiors, and roof conversions. Inside the van, practicality was the main focus. The 1985 Chevrolet Beauville could seat up to 8 passengers depending on configuration. It offered spacious bench seating and plenty of legroom compared to smaller vehicles of the time. Families loved the roomy cabin because it made long road trips far more comfortable. The dashboard design was simple and functional, with easy-to-read gauges and straightforward controls. Higher trim versions offered features like air conditioning, upgraded cloth seating, power windows, and improved sound systems. For the mid-1980s, these features made the Beauville feel surprisingly comfortable. One of the biggest advantages of the Beauville was its cargo flexibility. Even with multiple passenger seats installed, owners could remove seating when extra cargo space was needed. This made the van useful for camping trips, moving equipment, and family vacations. Under the hood, buyers had several engine options. One of the common engines was the 4.3-liter V6, which offered decent fuel efficiency for a full-size van. Buyers looking for more power could choose larger V8 engines such as the 5.0-liter V8 or the more powerful 5.7-liter V8. These V8 engines provided strong towing capability and reliable highway performance. Many owners used the Beauville to tow trailers, boats, and recreational equipment. The van typically came paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive despite its large size. Fuel economy was never the strongest feature of these full-size vans, but buyers understood that practicality and durability were far more important. The Beauville was built on a strong body-on-frame platform, which helped it handle heavy use over many years. Safety features in 1985 were far more basic compared to modern vehicles. The Beauville offered seat belts and a sturdy frame, but it lacked modern airbags, advanced braking systems, and electronic safety technologies. Still, for its time, it was considered dependable transportation. What makes the 1985 Chevrolet Beauville interesting today is its growing popularity among collectors and classic van enthusiasts. Many surviving models are being restored, customized, or converted into camper vans. Some enthusiasts appreciate its vintage design, while others enjoy the nostalgia of the classic American van culture. You can still find Beauville vans at classic car auctions, online marketplaces, and vintage vehicle shows across the United States. Well-maintained examples are becoming harder to find, especially original versions with low mileage. The 1985 Chevrolet Beauville may not have been flashy like a Corvette or Camaro, but it played an important role in American automotive history. It helped families travel comfortably, supported businesses, and became a symbol of 1980s van culture. Its combination of durability, practicality, spaciousness, and classic design makes it a memorable vehicle even decades later. For people who appreciate vintage American vans, the Beauville remains a true classic. Thanks for watching CarOg 765. Let me know in the comments if you would drive this classic Chevrolet van today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to CarOg 765 for more amazing classic vehicle content. See you in the next video.